Most key fobs use 3-volt lithium coin batteries like CR2032, CR2025, or CR1616. Check your vehicle's manual for the correct type. Gather your tools: a small flathead or Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool or key, and the new battery. Work in a well-lit area and avoid metal surfaces to prevent short circuits. Handle batteries carefully, wearing gloves if possible to avoid transferring oils from your fingers to the battery. Ground yourself before starting to prevent static damage to the fob's electronics. First, locate the seam or screws on the back of the key fob. If there are screws, remove them using a small screwdriver. For snap-open fobs, gently insert a key or pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the halves. Note the battery's polarity before removing it. The positive side is usually marked with a plus symbol. Use a non-metal tool to carefully pop out the old battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it's seated properly in the compartment. Snap or screw the fob halves back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm functions like lock and unlock work properly. If it doesn't work, check battery contacts for corrosion and clean with rubbing alcohol, or consult your manual for reprogramming instructions.